In the short, we solve the problem from linear inequalities. Here, problem is solve the inequality for real x. Problem is x divided by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. X by 4 less than, here LCM is 15. 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. X divided by 4 less than 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 divided by 15. X divided by 4 less than 25x minus 21x, 4x minus 1 divided by 15. Cross multiplying 15x is less than 16x minus 4. 15x minus 16x less than minus 4. Minus x less than minus 4. Then x greater than 4. Multiplying with minus, then value is x greater than 4. Here x value belongs to minus 4 comma infinity. There is no end. Greater than 4 means extended to anywhere. So x value belongs to 4 comma infinity.